Well, TV celebrity designer Jo Alcorn joins us with efficient spring cleaning tips. We're doing the inside out. Good morning.
Good morning, Bob. How are you?
Good, but boy, we're in our brand new place here and I'm already creating a mess here, so help me out.
Okay. Well, spring is here. The
Yep.
warm weather has finally arrived, which gets me so excited for patio season and just doing that deep clean inside to really start off the season ahead. And before, though, we can really enjoy those patio seasons, we have to get our elbows a little dirty and make sure that we are fresh and clean out there. So I always love to give a deep clean of, say, my furniture or my pillows out there.
Yeah.
And OxyClean Versatile Stain Remover has over 100 uses throughout. So it's just not for the laundry room anymore. It's inside and out. And I love it because I can use it. I scrub off my patio furniture. I throw my pillows either in the washer or dryer, or I can even just put a mop and some water and scrub down my pillows, and then it all dries out there. And it really just kind of refreshes everything.
Oh, yeah.
And again, it's nothing too hard to do. You might get your hands a little, wet and dirty, but it's gonna make everything sparkle and clean, and that's what you really need.
Oh yeah, I can attest to that because I've used it on patio cushions, but also a pro tip back to laundry, the spray version for getting makeup off collars. It's my go-to.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you naturally look like that, Bob. I highly doubt you get makeup.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
Yeah, I wake up like this, too, so my collars are perfect. But, yes, absolutely. So you can use it inside and out. So that's the nice part now about patio season is it is versatile that way. The other thing is I leave my patio furniture out all year, so it really starts to look a little tired. And so this is where I find I get my little DIY on with paint, and I actually start to refresh a lot of my patio stuff with different styles of paint. And Bear is the ultimate DIY coach, and it's all about them wanting to motivate Canadians with their projects. And it's really, you can DIY it. So my casita sign that I love was looking a little tired and rusty. So they had their Premium Plus exterior semi-gloss enamel paint that I was able just to paint right over my sign and give it a whole new kind of lifespan there.
Looks brand new.
One of my favorite things, brand new. The other thing is I was getting tired of the color of some of my furniture. So they also have their premium interior and exterior spray paints that adhere to multiple surfaces. So I spray painted my chairs there into a whole different color. So I changed up my color scheme. I also used their exterior paint on the fence just to give it a whole new refresh look. So again, it's about kind of DIYing, using what you have. And, the spray paint is amazing, and it's not something you have to be an expert at. It really is just kind of making sure you're starting off light and then adding to it. And this goes a long way. Like I feel anytime I paint something, it's like, oh, a whole new life to what I had. So it's a great little DIY project.
Yeah, it's amazing what a difference changing the color makes too.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Yeah, it just transforms.
The other thing is, I don't know if you guys can see this right here. This is the Tinco I43 hybrid mop and vac in one. So the whole thing is you're cutting down on half the cleaning time by having your mop and vac do it all at the same time. So I love to get a deep clean spring going on all hard surfaces. This bad boy just kind of is easy and lightweight and really gets everything sparkling for me. And experts say, I don't know if you practice this, Bob, but if you devote 10 minutes a day to cleaning your home, your house stays cleaner. So instead of having a massive clean, if you just do 10 minutes.
We'll try. We got to go, Joe, but we'll link up all your socials at chch.com for this great stuff.